Hey guys, and welcome back to this channel. In this video, I'll be showing you guys how you can get the fall mutation on your plants in Grow a Garden. So this is what the fall mutation looks like. It's the apple one here. As you can see, there's like leaves falling from it. There's also one here. So you can get the mutation by but by putting this waterfall in your garden. So you get that by purchasing it in the is it this one, or I actually don't remember. Okay, it's in the Fall Festival Cosmetics, and it is the Fall Fountain. It periodically imbues. What does that even mean? Your crops with the Fall Mutation. So purchase that if it's in stock, or you can also get it by having this pet. The grizzly bear pet gives the fall mutation as well. I already have that. It's in my garden somewhere. There's this one here. But yeah, that is pretty much it really. I hope it was helpful for you guys. Don't forget to like, comment, share, and also subscribe to this channel if you haven't done that already. If you have any more questions about this video, just leave it in the comment section down below. I will try my best to answer them all for you guys. And if you found this video helpful, please click the thanks button as well. That is it. Thank you so much for watching. Bye.